evening. I am Sanan Jain. Welcome to Radio Bharti. Let's begin with the top news updates of the day. The headlines. PM Modi praises performance of Indian athletes, call for ambitious Olympic targets. IMD forecasts heavy rainfall across Northeast, Odisha, Kerala, and West Bengal today. Sri Lanka's public security minister says evidence links former SIS chief Suresh Seli to 2019 Easter Sunday bombings. Japan starts reactor at Kasivansky Karvia nuclear plant amid global oil crisis. ELGS 5.0 achieves major milestone. Guarantee insurance crosses 1 lakh mark. ICC outlines plans to mobilize 1 lakh crore investment in West Bengal. PV Sindhu and Tanvi Sharma advance to second round of women's singles. PM Modi praises performances of Indian athletes, call for ambitious Olympic targets. Now news in brief. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has praised the performances of Indian sportsmen person and urged the nation to set ambitious targets for the Olympics. Speaking at the NDA conclave in New Delhi, Mr. Modi highlighted the achievements of young athletes and the rapid growth of sports in India while stressing the need to aim higher on the global stage. Indian Meteorological Department has forecast heavy rainfall today in places over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Kerala and Mahi, Odisha, Sub-Himalayan, West Bengal and Sikkim. Rainfall conditions are also expected during the day over Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Bihar, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, Gangetic West Bengal, Konkan and Goa, Tamil Nadu and Northeast India. Sri Lanka's Public Security Minister Ananda Vajpayee told Parliament yesterday that investigators have gathered sufficient evidence to link former State Intelligence Service Chief retired Major General Suresh Seli to the 2019 Easter Sunday bombings that killed more than 260 people. Japan has restarted a reactor at the Kansky Karvia nuclear plant, the world's largest facility, to help meet rising electricity demand during a global oil crisis. The Minister of Finance today said that the total number of guarantees issued under the Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme 5.0 has officially crossed the 1 lakh mark with the total amount of guarantees of more than 48,000 crore rupees. This milestone demonstrated the extensive scale of credit protection being extended to the lenders. Science and Technology Minister Dr. Jatendra Singh today met an Indian Chamber of Commerce delegation led by its President Brij Bhushan Agrawal in New Delhi. During the meeting, the delegation appraised Dr. Singh of the Chamber's investment initiative in West Bengal, while expressing its intent to collaborate with the centre and the state government to support the state's growth and development agenda. In badminton, PV Sindhu and Tanvi Sharma today advanced to the second round of women's single event and Australian Open tournament in Sydney. Two-time Olympic medalist Sindhu, 10th in the badminton ranking, defeated Peru's world number 76 Ines Castillo by 21-13, 21-11 in the first round clash of the tournament. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has praised the performances of Indian sportsmen person and urged the nation to set ambitious targets for the Olympics. Speaking at the NDA conclave in New Delhi, Mr. Modi highlighted the achievements of young athletes and the rapid growth of sports in India while stressing the need to aim higher on the global stage. That's all for the day. For more such updates, stay tuned to Radio Bharti. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.